In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to conduct online exams using Google Forms, 5 minutes. We'll start in Google Drive and finish with a timed proctored exam experience that's simple for students and reliable for you. Open Google Drive in your browser. In the top right, click the Google Apps launcher, the small grid of dots, and choose Forms. This takes you to Google Forms, where you can see your existing forms and templates. Select the form you want to use for your exam, or pick a template you've already prepared with your questions, points, and answer keys. Inside the form editor, look toward the top right for the three-dot More menu. Click that and choose Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace in a panel. In the search bar, type Extended Forms. You'll see the add-on called Timer plus Proctor for Google Forms Extended Forms. Click it, then click Install. Approve the requested permissions so it can work with your form. When the installation finishes, close the marketplace to return to your form. Back in the form editor, click the puzzle piece add-ons icon. From the list, choose Timer plus Proctor for Google Forms, Extended Forms. Sometimes the add-on takes a moment to load. If it spins or doesn't open the first time, just click the add-ons icon again and select it once more. When it's ready, click Configure. A sidebar appears on the right where you'll set up the exam controls. In the configuration panel, set the exam duration so responses are time-bound from the moment a student starts. You can enable proctoring options to discourage cheating, like restricting tab switching, requiring full screen, or capturing basic activity signals. Consider limiting attempts to one per student and setting an availability window if you want the exam to open and close at specific times. If you use Forms quiz features, make sure your points and correct answers are already set. The add-on focuses on timing and proctoring, while Forms handles grading. Add any instructions or warnings students should see before they begin so expectations are clear. When you're satisfied, click Save in the add-on panel. Next, choose Preview to test the experience. You'll be redirected to a new page managed by Extended Forms. Click Get Started to walk through the student view, confirm the timer behavior, and make sure the proctoring prompts appear as expected. If anything looks off, return to the configuration panel, adjust your settings, and preview again until it's right. That's it. Your Google form now runs as a timed, proctored online exam ready for a smooth testing experience.